Hi everybody, welcome to Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Rina Gavanda, your host for today. So from my kitchen today, I will be showing you, not me, I'm going to get my Aunty Neela, that's my attached neighbor, that's going to be showing you how to make a vermicelli. So stay tuned for the ingredients. Okay, so now for the ingredients I have is my vermicelli. I've got a bit of sugar. Sugar, it depends on how much you want. I've got milk. I've got some cinnamon sticks. I've got sago that has been soaked in hot water for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, this is the sago that you get from the shop. And I've got about 200 grams of rama. In fact, Aunty Neela always makes my vermicelli. And so I've got her to my kitchen today to do this for you. So stay tuned even as she prepares it. So now, as you know, social distancing, Aunty Neela is breaking up all the vermicelli. Okay, just want to break it a bit smaller. Okay, so the next step, Nilantia, you're going to fry it?
Yes.
Okay, so she's going to fry it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so the pot is on the stove. Aunty Neela is going to add the rama margarine.
A little bit rama.
Okay. So that just needs to melt a bit.
And then you add cinnamon stick. And then you add the vermicelli. Let it cook till it brown.
So say about 2 minutes, Aunty Neela. Okay, so we come back to the pot while it fries. 2 minutes. Aunty Neela?
Yes.
Okay, is it ready?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a bit brown.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the next step?
Next step, we add some boiling water
Yes.
and let it boil
Yes.
for about 10 minutes.
Okay, there's the boiling water. So how much of boiling water do you have? About a cup or so?
No, more than a cup.
More than a cup. Okay. So Aunty Neela doesn't deal with your quantity, just like the other Aunty Neela.
Yes.
So, okay. So she's gonna stir that a bit.
Yes. Let it boil. Little.
Yes.
And then you add your sugar and your milk.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll come back to the pot in the next 2 minutes or so.
Yes.
Okay, so now you're adding the butter.
Yes.
Okay.
And then add the sugar.
Okay, so the sugar, it depends how sweet you want it.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you add the milk.
Okay. Depends how watery or thick you want it,
Yes,
Aunty Neela.
yes.
Okay. Okay, so that needs to cook a bit.
Yes.
About how many minutes, Aunty Neela?
About 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so we'll come back to the pot.
Yes.
Okay, so while the vermicelli is getting done there, Aunty Neela is going to prepare the sago in another pot.
Yes.
So you're going to add the soaked sago to it.
Yes.
So that needs to boil a bit, Aunty Neela.
Boil a little bit.
Okay, so we're just going to come back to the pot in the next 3 to 5 minutes or so. Aunty Neela, can you
Yes.
tell us what's happening there?
Yes.
The sago?
The sago is boiled now.
Yes.
And you just add it
Yes.
to the vermicelli.
Tell me, Aunty Neela, is it optional? If I don't have sago at home,
So no,
it's fine.
it's fine. You can just add
Just leave it plain.
yeah.
Okay, and then what does the sago do to the vermicelli? gives it
thickness.
thickness. Okay.
And it gives a nice,
Okay. So how long must that cook for now?
for 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay. So we're gonna come back to that pot now. Okay, so we're back to the pot, Aunty Neela.
Yes.
Is that ready now?
Yes, and you must keep on stirring.
Okay.
If not, it goes a lump.
Okay, and what else can I add to this? Almonds.
Almonds. You can have dry raisins.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
All right. So now the vermicelli is ready.
Yes,
Stay
it's
tuned
ready.
for the plating.
Yes.
Okay, so now the vermicelli is ready. As you can see, it looks yummy. I need to taste some of this. Absolutely divine, Aunty Neela. Thank you so much. She's our attached neighbor. She's more than a neighbor to us. In fact, she's family. So thank you, Aunty Neela, for coming through my house and showing me this vermicelli. I love it.
It's nice and cold.
And she says it's nice and cold for vermicelli. It is. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I wish you a week of prosperity, a week of total healing upon you and your family. Stay blessed and stay focused amidst all the COVID-19. Just hold it together because you have peace in your life. So take care and God bless.